So today I'm going to talk about Python nested list, right? So by the end of this video, you will understand how to access the elements of nested list, why do we use it, and its syntax, where we use it, right? So let's get started. A nested list is a simply list inside another list, right? It's called nested list, right? Now, why we use that? Nested lists are useful when we want to store related data in rows, columns, just like a table or a spreadsheet, right? So this is the syntax of nested list, right? This is the outer list, right? Now we have a two list inside outer list, right? This is the one element and this is the second list two element, right? If you want to see the index of these list, it is at index number 0, and this is the index number 1, right? Now we have a different real life example, right? So this is the nested list. We have three inner list, right? This is the one list, this is the two list, this is the three list, right? Now we will use the, now I will print that list on the screen. This is the nested list. Now I want to access the elements of nested list. Then I will use suppose I want to print I will write the student, then it will return what? This list, right? Because this list at 0 index, right? Now I will run this program, you will get what? Again, this is the nested, right? Now I want to access the individual elements, and what I will do, I will give the inner list index, right? I will, if you want to access only Ali, then you will what? Give the another 0 index, right? Now I will run this program, you will get any element. If you want to access the 92 marks, then I will use the index number 1 and also index 1, right? Now I will run this program, you will get, right? This is called the nested list, right? This is the real life example. Imagine each inner list represents sales for 1 week, right? Now you can access the elements of this list, right? If you want to access the 120, then you will write the 0 index, right? Also another 0, right? Now I will run this program, you will get what, right? So this is all about the nested list in Python, right? Now if you are new on my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my channel. In the next video we will talk about sort versus sorted.